Hello, thank you for using squad timing. This video is meant to show you how to view and understand the results that you've saved using the app Squad Timing. First of all, we click on the bar graph on the bottom navigation menu, and that'll take us to this results page here. From here, basically, we're just selecting how we want to filter the events to show either in a spreadsheet or in a graph. Right now, you click the start date when you want the events to start, and then the end date. And right at this point, I have basically a blank app, so it's just some events that I did earlier in the day. You could choose either current events, which would be all of your used events in their order. If you do all events, what that does is it selects what's also known as the unused events. A lot of times those are indoor events or trials and things like that. However you've set it up on your event list. And then there's the option for a single event. It's important that you do single event when you want to chart and do a run chart showing the events. So right now, I guess I'll do current events, and gender, I'm going to do everyone, but if you only wanted the male results or female results, you could do that. And then up at the very top, next to the calendar, which is already selected, we're going to click the little middle icon there, and this will show us our spreadsheet. So this is all the results I have saved right at this time. I can scroll right or left. Notice it's quite a bit of events. These are all just the used events. So these are pretty much your standard events that you would have in a meet. And as we scroll, we can see times, and you could sort by time too if you wanted to, by hitting the little arrows up at the top, or by name, however you choose to do it, or date. Anyway, it's your choice. You can sort that out. And then if you needed to, on the far right, there's a little pencil under edit. And from here, you could change things. So maybe there was a mistake. Maybe you have the wrong athlete. You could change the athlete, change the event, the time, the place, or a comment. Or if you wanted, you could delete the record too. We're not going to change anything right now. So that's how you see every event here. This is why I created this app in the first place, is because I would have over 100 athletes in a meet, and it would become very, very tedious to record all of this and then save it in an Excel sheet later on. Right now, all I have to do is I could hit save results, and it saved this into an Excel or into a CSV file on my device. Or better yet, I can have my other coaches or manager using this app, and then I can click email results, have them do that afterwards. And you'll notice it attached the CSV file here. If you open it up, you would see that it's basically this same thing here in an Excel sheet. So it could save you literally hours every single meet when you're using this app, as opposed to doing it paper and pencil and recording the results over and over. So this is how you would get a big picture overview. Let's look at single event, and I have some times here for the girls 4x8, not real times, mind you, but placeholder times. So again, I could click the spreadsheet and see that. But what I really like that I've added here recently is if I click the far right icon, you'll have a run graph. And this is just dummy data here, but you can see all the icons representing the different runners at the top. The green one is the overall relay time, and then the individual splits are down below with the different runners. Unfortunately, I only have one data point here, but as your season progresses, you'll get more and more data points, and you'll have a run chart going to the right and see how your different athletes are doing. And this works both for relay splits such as this, or in individual events. So it's a nice graphical way to see how your athlete's progressing as the year goes on. And I apologize, I don't have a whole lot of data in here yet, but that's how that works. So overall, pretty neat little feature here on saving your results, emailing them. You can use this however you want to make decisions about your athletes and who runs or does which events and things like that. And it's just a nice way to have everything in one spot. Anyway, I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a great track season. Thank you.